SpaceX continues its remarkable streak, cementing Dragon's legacy as the world's leading crewed vehicle. While Boeing's Starliner struggles, SpaceX is making 2024 its most active year yet for Dragon missions. This year, SpaceX has made an unexpected announcement that could significantly impact the future of crewed spaceflight. This mission, dubbed FRAM-2, will achieve something that even space giants like NASA and Roscosmos have not managed. Human spaceflight mission dedicated to exploring Earth's polar regions from orbit. This ambitious project has generated significant buzz within the space community, even drawing praise from figures like Elon Musk and Jarrett Isaacman. The FRAM-2 mission draws inspiration from the Norwegian ship Fram, known for its groundbreaking voyages to the North and South Poles between 1893 and 1912. This private mission, set to launch in the near future, will feature a crew of 4 astronauts, including a seasoned explorer, a robotics expert, and a veteran of dangerous environments. The mission is a testament to the potential of commercial spaceflight, showcasing how SpaceX's reusability and NASA's vision paved the way for groundbreaking private missions. It's a continuation of the pioneering spirit of Polaris program, Inspiration 4, and Axiom missions, each pushing the boundaries of human exploration. Interestingly, NASA had similar plans for a polar orbit mission back in 1986, using the Space Shuttle. However, the mission was sadly canceled following the Challenger disaster. Decades later, SpaceX has stepped up to complete this task, demonstrating the power of private innovation to fulfill dreams once left unrealized. FRAM-2 crew consists of 4 diverse individuals, each bringing their unique expertise to the mission. Chun Wang, the mission commander, an entrepreneur and adventurer from Malta. Jannik Mikkelsen, the vehicle commander, hailing from Norway with experience in some of the world's most challenging environments. Eric Phillips, the vehicle pilot, an Australian professional explorer who has participated in numerous polar expeditions. Rebe Aragi, the mission specialist, a robotics expert from Germany. While all 4 are experts in their respective fields, this will be their first experience in space. FRAM-2 aims to do more than just explore the poles. It aims to inspire wonder and curiosity, showcasing the power of technology to push the boundaries of Earth exploration. The mission will involve observing Earth's polar regions from Dragon's cupola at an altitude comparable to the ISS for a duration of 3 to 5 days. SpaceX's FRAM-2 mission is a testament to the innovative spirit of the private space sector, showcasing how commercial ventures can contribute to the advancement of human exploration. It's a reminder that even in the face of historical challenges, the drive to explore and understand our world remains strong. And with the right technology and the right minds, possibilities are truly limitless. SpaceX is on a mission to rewrite the rules of space exploration, and 2024 is proving to be a year of unprecedented achievement. While other space programs grapple with delays and setbacks, SpaceX is soaring ahead with a series of ambitious Dragon missions, each pushing the boundaries of what's possible. And at the heart of this remarkable year lies a truly groundbreaking mission, FRAM-2, named after the pioneering Norwegian ship Fram. Renowned for its groundbreaking voyages to the North and South Poles, FRAM-2 is set to be unlike any human spaceflight mission before it. It's not just about reaching orbit, it's about exploring the Earth's polar regions from a vantage point that has never been possible. Truly unique perspective. Imagine a world where the North and South Poles, those icy realms of mystery and wonder, are shrouded in obscurity, their secrets hidden from human eyes. That's the reality for astronauts aboard the International Space Station, ISS, whose orbit doesn't allow them to glimpse these remote corners of our planet. But FRAM-2 will change that. This mission will see a crew of 4 astronauts embarking on a bold journey, orbiting Earth at an almost perpendicular angle to the equator, with an inclination of approximately 90 degrees. This unprecedented trajectory will give them a unique view of the poles, allowing them to study and observe these frozen landscapes in ways never before imagined. This isn't just about a breathtaking view, it's about scientific discovery. FRAM-2 will focus on studying the mysterious light emissions that dance across the Earth's upper atmosphere, phenomena that resemble auroras, but are distinct in their origins and behavior. These include the captivating Steve, vibrant ribbon of light that stretches across the sky, captivating scientists and skywatchers alike. While previous missions have captured glimpses of these emissions, FRAM-2 will provide a more comprehensive view, allowing scientists to gain deeper insights into their formation and behavior, uncovering the secrets that lie hidden within the Earth's magnetic field and the interactions between our planet and the Sun. FRAM-2 is not just about observing the Earth's poles. It's also about pushing the boundaries of human spaceflight and understanding the impact of extended space travel on the human body. The mission will include several groundbreaking research projects, including capturing the first human X-ray images in space. This endeavor will provide invaluable data on how radiation affects the human body in space, crucial information for planning future long-duration missions, the Moon, Mars, and beyond. Utilizing just-in-time training tools, this innovative approach to spaceflight training will allow astronauts to adapt to dynamic environments and unexpected situations, ensuring mission success in unpredictable scenarios. Studying the effects of spaceflight on behavioral health. By monitoring the crew's mental and emotional well-being throughout the mission, scientists will gain valuable insights into the psychological challenges of extended space travel, paving the way for future missions to Mars and beyond. FRAM-2 will mark Dragon's 5th crewed mission in 2024, solidifying its position as the world's leading crewed spacecraft. This achievement is a testament to SpaceX's unwavering commitment to pushing the boundaries of space exploration, delivering a spacecraft that is both reliable and versatile. Dragon is not just a vehicle. It's a symbol of innovation. Since its debut, Dragon has flown a total of 16 crewed missions, safely carrying over 50 astronauts to and from Earth's orbit, setting a new standard for human spaceflight. It has played a critical role in delivering astronauts, cargo, and scientific experiments to the International Space Station, proving its dominance in the space industry. FRAM-2 is more than just a mission, it's a vision of the future. The data collected from this mission will provide invaluable insights for future missions to the Moon, Mars, and beyond. It will help us understand the challenges of long-duration space travel, paving the way for humanity to explore the vast expanse of the cosmos. As we approach the end of 2024, SpaceX is set to launch 2 more crewed missions. Crew 9, which will further solidify SpaceX's role on the ISS, and Polaris Dawn, which will demonstrate the company's capability in conducting challenging spacewalks. SpaceX's incredible year of achievements, capped by the bold FRAM-2 mission, is a testament to the power of innovation and human ingenuity. As we gaze at the stars, we can be inspired by the possibilities that lie ahead, knowing that humanity's journey into the cosmos is only just beginning.